technological innovation. Kung halimbawa yung ating product, hindi tayo nag-improve, may iwasan tayo ng ating alaga. GNP and GDP growth rate. Ang GNP, Gross National Product, and then yung GDP. Number 5 is inflation. Then unemployment rate. Epekto din yun sa ating sales forecast. And consumer spending. Government expenditures or the fiscal policies. Monetary policies. Number 10. Number 10 is the foreign exchange rate movement. The legal environment. Availability of credit facilities and other sources of financing. Then yung competition. Availability of products and development of the industry for the company. Those were the